Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can choose your preferred line or grid style for handwriting in notes on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Notes. Then we go down and tap on Lines and Grids. In here, choose a style that you would like to use. So here we've got blank, small line, medium line, large line, small grid, medium grid, and larger grid. Okay, so select one of the options, and this will apply from now on to new notes. So you can see here, if I go back to notes and I create a new note. Now this only applies to handwriting. So when I start to draw, then in here it will show us the grid. Now another way to change the grid, so while you are in notes, you can close this one here, and I'm going to close this toolbar. Okay, and then at the top here you can tap on the option button, and then from here, from the pop-up, we can tap on lines and grids, and in here you can choose a different lines and grid style, and that's it. And from here you can continue to start writing. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channels for more videos.